Hi, this is Lai, owner of the business we're going to be designing a logo for in today's video. His business is a fast food restaurant that serves very delectable foods such as your classic Russian kasi gorda, also known as skambana. They also sell chips, dogwoods, plates, even platters, you name it. They also love hosting Gimba challenges. It's a company eating contest. Now that you know a little bit about the business, let's get into the video. Welcome to our very first Artago Studios project series. This is video 1. Usually before starting any design project, you need to have a design brief. Here, our intro kind of works as one, so I'll be focusing more on the different concepts I made for this particular project and which of the designs the client chose to go with. I had a few designs in mind, but as you know, I could only present 3 to the client. So for the third concept, I decided to go with a serving tray, as the business served a variety of the best in local fast food cuisine. A lot of logo designs are created using only shapes, so for a serving tray I needed a round top and a flat bottom. Using these shapes with the same stroke size, I could achieve this by merging the 2 shapes together. Highlight the shapes, go to Object, Path, then click Outline Stroke. Now I can merge and remove the shapes using a shape builder tool in my toolbar. You can learn more about the shape builder tool in other videos, as this is not a tutorial video. But now that I'm done merging the 2 shapes together, I needed to add a little more detail to this so that a customer can quickly identify which business this is and what they do. At the beginning of this project, I created a set of font styles that I thought would go well with this type of brand. Now, I just needed to pair the created logo mark to a font style that fit well with the design. And then, all that was left was for me to just refine the design. Because of their crispy, saucy, fiery grilled foods. For my second concept, I went with a classic knife and fork design. I know what some of you are thinking. Why not go with something unpredictable, right? Something a little different. But with these objects, the client already knows what establishment this is. Already in the logo mark, we have a significant identifier of what the brand represents. So I think it's okay as long as it gets to be different and unique enough to the brand, its customers, and potential customers. So the idea was to pull them together and create a unique outline around them that would represent a containment of flavor and the boldness to be unique in the face of competition. Lastly, for my final concept, I went with an even simpler design. I used the fork for my second concept, and I wanted this fork to be inside of a flame or a fiery ball. So I used a circle shape and just added details to it to make it look more like a fireball with flames coming out. After I added the details I needed on it, it was time to add color and then just refine the design and make sure that the final outline of the logo is perfect. So when I add the fork to the design, everything will go together and just fit perfectly. So, after doing my little touch-ups, I did manage to finalize the logo by cleaning it up a bit, choosing a font style that fits well with the logo. And since the client did not have a chosen color or color palette for the brand. I had to pick one, and it turned out great. This is the final results for the Eat At Alencious restaurant logo design. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design project breakdowns, and let us know in the comment section what you think of the brand we designed for you here today. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.